Now tell me what you're doing here. What?
We have a patient with a cancer in two places, which is so unusual to have a cancer occurring on the face and in the lower abdomen and nowhere else. I thought this must be coming from her teeth, but she has full dentures, and that would then be a surprise since it's not coming from tooth fillings. So I'm checking her dentures to see if they're radioactive. And you can see what I'm testing for. This is just the name of the person. I have them in a little bit of well water or any kind of water because even if the water might have some copper or lead in it from the water pipes, that's not going to disturb the test. I'm not looking for copper or lead. I'm looking for polonium, which is the radioactive element causing cancer, but it's not the only thing. The polonium is complex to cerium, cerium being a lanthanide, but radioactive things from the earth, mainly the radon series, and other things coming up from the uranium down below the earth. Those things react with each other. The lanthanides and the radioactive elements come up in the same space because they come up from the uranium rocks that are under the surface of the earth. And polonium and cerium are extremely reactive, and they react with each other immediately so that you get this little polonium-cerium complex. And you'll see that here I'm testing for polonium in this denture that's in a little bit of water in a plastic bag. And of course there are two entities there, the teeth themselves and the rest of the pink part of the denture. And I'm just soaking the whole thing to see if that might be a source of her carcinogen. There it is, very high. It's seeping polonium. And I'll look for cerium because cerium is used in dental plastic. You can find that right on the internet. It's terrible that a great deal of research on cerium was done in the first half century of the last century already. Cerium came into use, and they never did search for an effect that might be contributing to cancer, I suppose. Because I find it in every cancer case, it's part of the carcinogen causing the cancer.
Part of the complex.
Yes.
Part of the complex between the polonium and
Yes.
cerium.
Yes. The carcinogen isn't a single entity, it's a large complex.
Uh-huh.
And it starts with polonium, and that is complex to cerium.